Welcome to Research Rocks. If you learn new language with the help of Duolingo application and you are looking to get the subscription for yearly subscription price is $100, and if I'm telling you you can get this subscription just only $8, it means 92% discount. How to get this subscription? Let's start. I just simply open here Google and type here premium in cheap. This platform are selling you very affordable prices, different subscription plan as well. You should visit and which subscription you are looking, you can search here. The platform are introducing join WhatsApp and Telegram as well. You should join WhatsApp and Telegram and receive much more different offers. So many different options is available. Personally, I use so many times. Today we target here Duolingo Super and Max. So here the price is available 799 to 5500 INR in between Duolingo Super and Duolingo Max. So two different packages and two different prices are showing here. All the packages available yearly basis. 1 year super subscription, I personally purchased this one. Year Max and Super Family and Super Family Max packages are available. Which one you like, accordingly you should decide. I select here Super. Here different information available, so you can go through one by one and gather much more information. Now I just simply select here 1 year super and just simply click here buy now. So I need to pay 799 INR. As a buy now point of view, you just simply fill out here the first name, last name, your country, no matter which country you are living. Accordingly you should just simply provide here, then place the order. Order always comes here in via WhatsApp, so place the order. I just simply open here my WhatsApp application and send it to them. So here this is the invoice, I send it to them. So accordingly they are receiving my invoice and afterwards replying me. So look at this here, within a second the platform owner are sending me the reply. So receive the order. I just simply say thank you. And look at this here, payment method. He asking me to the payment method, UPI, cryptocurrency, PayPal or credit card. So if you are living in out of India, you can use cryptocurrency, PayPal and credit card as well. But I'm living in I have in UPI, so I just simply provide him UPI. So let's see. So they say okay. Afterward, I'm receiving here UPI QR code, Paytm one, using my mobile phone. I just simply scan this QR code and complete the payment as well using PhonePe. So I just simply scan this one. Yes, my payment is done. I just simply replying them done. Payment is done and reply. And let's see what we receive here afterwards. So first of all, I need to open here my Duolingo account before activate. So if you are using in laptop screen, so you can do same process. Otherwise in mobile screen, you just simply install the application and log in your Duolingo application. And look at this here, within a couple of seconds I am receiving the invitation link. So I need to click here and activate this process via WhatsApp. Status is completed. So I show it to you here. First of all, my account is not a premium one, so subscription plan I am not activated yet. So I just simply come here, click this link and let's see. You are invited to join a super Duolingo family plan. Accept the invitation. I just simply click here, accept the invitation. Join the plan with this account or switch to different one as well. Join family plan. I click here, welcome to the family and start to the learning. You are learning on Super Duolingo. Say goodbye to ad and support mission. So using this process, you can very easily get this subscription, very affordable prices with the help of premium in cheap platform. If you have any question related on the subscription, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.